Hello, everyone. Today, I want to talk to you about something that might seem counterintuitive: the benefits of boredom. In our fast-paced and constantly connected world, it's easy to think that boredom is something to be avoided at all costs. We fill our time with endless distractions and entertainment, always seeking the next hit of stimulation. But what if I told you that embracing boredom could actually be one of the best things you can do for your mental and emotional well-being? First, let's define what we mean by boredom. Boredom is the state of feeling disinterested or unengaged with the world around us. It's that feeling of restlessness or ennui that can come when we have nothing specific to do or think about. And while it might not feel pleasant in the moment, research has shown that boredom can actually have a range of benefits for our brains and our overall sense of happiness and fulfillment. One of the main benefits of boredom is that it allows our minds to wander and explore new ideas. When we're constantly distracted by screens or other forms of entertainment, we don't give ourselves the space to think deeply or reflect on our own experiences. But when we allow ourselves to be bored, we open up the possibility for creative thinking and problem solving. Our brains are free to wander and make connections between seemingly unrelated ideas, which can lead to breakthroughs and new insights. Another benefit of boredom is that it can help us build resilience and tolerance for discomfort. In our culture of instant gratification, we're often taught that we should always be entertained or stimulated. But this can actually be detrimental to our mental health, as we become more and more reliant on external sources of validation and pleasure. When we learn to sit with our boredom and discomfort, we develop a greater sense of inner strength and self-reliance. We come to understand that we can survive and even thrive without constantly seeking external stimulation. Boredom can also be a valuable tool for improving our relationships and social connections. When we're constantly plugged into our devices, we're often not fully present with the people around us. We might be physically in the same room, but our attention is elsewhere. When we allow ourselves to be bored, we give ourselves the opportunity to connect more deeply with others. We might strike up a conversation with a stranger or notice something new and interesting about a friend or loved one that we hadn't seen before. By being more present in the moment, we can cultivate richer and more meaningful relationships. Finally, boredom can be a powerful antidote to stress and anxiety. When we're constantly stimulated and distracted, our nervous systems can become overstimulated and overwhelmed. We might feel like we're constantly on edge, unable to fully relax or unwind. But when we allow ourselves to be bored, we create space for our bodies and minds to calm down and find a sense of peace. We might notice our breathing slowing down or a sense of spaciousness and ease in our bodies. By intentionally cultivating moments of boredom in our lives, we can create a sense of balance and ease that can help us better cope with stress and anxiety. So, there you have it. The benefits of boredom. While it might not always feel pleasant in the moment, boredom can actually be a valuable tool for improving our mental and emotional well-being. By allowing ourselves to be bored, we can tap into our creativity, build resilience and self-reliance, improve our relationships, and find greater peace and balance in our lives. So the next time you're feeling restless or disinterested, try embracing your boredom and see where it takes you. Who knows what amazing insights and discoveries might be waiting on the other side? Thank you for taking the time to listen to me today. I hope this video has given you some valuable insights into the benefits of boredom, and that you feel inspired to embrace your own moments of restlessness and disinterest. Remember, boredom can be a powerful tool for cultivating creativity, resilience, and peace in your life. If you found this video helpful, please consider sharing it with your friends and family. And as always, thank you for watching.